everyone, it's Dr. Dan Vanderwhite, and today I want to show you guys an adjustment on children. I'm going to give you two adjustments. These are both my kids that I'm adjusting today. With Quinn, he doesn't like to see the bone, feel the bones move and get that cracking noise, so I'm doing more of a light force adjusting technique on him. So in the pelvis, I'm going to be doing the drops. Mid-back, I'm just going to be using my hands, and in the neck, I'm going to be doing the arthrostim. Okay? So let's start with the lower back. And with his pelvis, I know he's got a hip over here that's twisted in here. So I'm going to pop this up, drop it straight down. This is going to get that left pelvis back into place. Alright, make sure his feet are even, which they are. I'm going to move up to the thoracic area. Just find those joints that are out of place. Get to those areas. Light push. Good. Good. Alright, now for the neck. Some people are squeamish and don't want to hear those bones being cracked and don't like the twisting of the neck. So Quinn is one of those people. So I'm using the arthrostim, which again, thrusts about 12 times per second. It's very light force adjusting. So I know his listings already, so I don't have to go through all the techniques to figure out what is out of alignment or not. I'm going to just get on the areas. Good. Perfect. And that's it.